Just on my way down to the language cafe. Just hang out there this afternoon. Hope to get to speak to a few of the locals. If you're not aware, I'm helping out at a language cafe. This is just basically speaking to local Koreans. They come into the cafe and it's like a 50-minute slot, and we just chat, and it's just to improve their English. Had my first guy yesterday. When he found out I was from Sheffield, he says, "Oh, my favourite movie is The Full Monty." Then he mentioned Sheffield Steel, and then the rest of the 50 minutes was talking about football and best Korean players over the last 20 years. The language cafe is about 30 minutes walk from where I stay. Hi, how are you doing? Oh, that was quick. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you soon. Bye. How's things? Like that, is it? Oh, really? So, another afternoon at the studio. No people in today, so I'm now headed back to the Air BNB after those amazing fritters. So good, that place, so good. It's like potato and vegetable fritters in like a sort of flour batter, deep fried in a wok. I mean, anything in batter and deep fried, it's got to taste good. Yeah, I can definitely see myself going there again. God, it's so cold now. Just had a look at the phone and it's minus 10. Minus 10, it's totally clear, so yeah, it's a little bit fresh. Looking forward to getting back actually, and chilling out. I need to buy some gloves. definitely need some gloves.